Hello and welcome to Azariah's Studio. My name is Sarah. I am the artist and designer behind Azariah's Studio. I'm going to show you how to work a treble crochet. If you would like to follow along, grab a hook and some yarn and follow these instructions. I have worked 2 rows of double crochets. Now I'm going to work a row of treble crochets. Begin by chain 3. For a double crochet, you yarn over once. For a treble crochet, you yarn over twice. Into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, draw through 2, yarn over, draw through 2, yarn over, draw through 2. That's where it gets its name, treble, because it's 3. 3 times you yarn over and draw through 2. So yarn around the hook twice, into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, draw through 2, yarn over, draw through 2, yarn over, draw through 2. You can see how long they are. These are used a lot in doilies. I use them mostly as front post treble crochets. So watch the post stitch video. The link is below if you need to combine this and that to be able to work on the color drip set or with a twist hat or mitts. And that is how you work a treble crochet. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Happy making!